YouTube family, welcome back. If it's your first time here, or you might only know me from YouTube Shorts, I'm Devin on deck, and in this video, I'm giving you 10 Father's Day gift ideas. So whether he's into cars, fashion, fitness, cooking, or any other niche interest, there is something for him in this video. And where applicable, they're all linked in the description. Now, starting with the dad that likes to get down in the kitchen or the grill. One easy, simple gift is a customized cutting board. It's an easy gesture and something you know he's guaranteed to use consistently. Now, if you really want to knock his socks off, get him a high quality knife. Personally, I've been getting heavy into grilling since my son was born. This exact knife right here changed the game for me. It's made in France by a 5th generation bladesmith and has made a huge difference in my prep and cooking speed. And trust me, once he tries this, he will never reach for another knife. Now, for the father that's into cars, the easy way in is tickets to a local car show. If there's nothing nearby around Father's Day, then just go to a local car meet. They're free, less crowded, and in my experience, you get better food and music. And if you really want to take things to the next level for the car dad, give him a ride along with a professional driver, or a chance to go to a track and try out a fast car himself. Now, as a fashion dad myself, I can admit we're kind of tough to shop for. We are very opinionated and our styles constantly evolving and changing. But you know one thing that always goes well with the outfit? A quality fragrance. And that's where our video sponsor Dior comes in with the solutions. For under $100, I picked up Sauvage. It smells fresh, spicy, and masculine. I decided to get the 1 ounce size so it's easy to travel with. You can even add customized engraving for a personal touch. But if he's a beginner or you're not sure what scent he'll like, go with the perfumer set. You get 10 different fragrance miniatures from Dior's private collection. This gives him the power of choice to see what he likes best. And my personal favorite option for the stylish dad is the Father's Day gift set. He gets a bottle of this luxurious, manly scent for his home and a refillable travel size to take with him anywhere. Now, just as a fair warning, this Father's Day gift set promo is only available online through June 16th. But no matter what you choose, they come with a personalized message, complimentary shipping, and free samples. Not to mention this beautiful packaging. Only available at Dior.com. And just like the rest of this video, all the links are in the description. Now, this one's for the dad who likes to run, lift, or hike. If this man is finding time in his busy schedule to exercise, chances are he's not really spending a lot of time on recovery. And let's be honest, you're lucky if you can get most of us to stretch for more than 30 seconds. So what you could do is book him a massage or a PT session where he can relax, recover, and optimize his physical performance. Or if you want to be extra thoughtful, when he's not around, find wherever he keeps his gym stuff. And if you notice, a busted pair of workout shoes with worn out tread, freshly washed gym shirt that still has a stench to it, or maybe his gym bag is falling apart. Find it and replace it with the exact same item. And if my wife is watching right now, I know this sounds super non-intuitive, but if it's worn out, it means that he loves it. So the 1-for-1 swap is a slam dunk every time. Now, for the father that's really into a specific sports team, band, anime series, movie franchise, this is for him. And there's no real easy version for this, so the trick is you mix one of his hobbies or interests that I mentioned before in this list with the thing that he's into. Now, for example, hear me out. Let's say this dad's into racing. This could be the wall art in his office. This could be his gym bag. The stylish dad gets vintage frames that his favorite racer wore in the 80s. You get what I'm saying? The list goes on and on. It takes a little bit more creativity, but if you combine the things here with the ideas I just gave you, you can't go wrong. And with that, I am wrapping up this video. If you really enjoyed it, make sure to leave a thumbs up. It helps out my channel tremendously. And of course, all the items you saw are linked in the description. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.